Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to add frame to your Facebook profile picture in Android app. So let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app. Then tap on main menu. Then tap on your profile name. Now you can see your profile picture. So tap on your profile picture. So you will get this menu which contains first option add frame. So tap on add frame. So you will be redirected to another page which contain different types of frames. Here there are three categories of frames suggested, Facebook and flags. So to see a particular category frames, tap on the frame name or tap on the category name. So these are the Facebook category frames. Tap on flags. These are the flags category frames. Now tap on suggested. You can select any one of the frame as per your choice. In my case, I am selected this one, popular frames. So to apply a frame, tap on the frame. And here you can see the preview of the frame. So to apply this frame to your profile picture, tap on the save button. And within a second, you can see we have successfully applied frame to your Facebook profile picture. So in this way, we can apply or add frame to your Facebook profile picture. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.